go. Okay, so here is the home page, the banner with a brief message um, and a description of what the app does. Takes in a CSV file and outputs a CSV file. So if we hit this one, and first test we're going to do is um, choose an invalid CSV right here, and then hit upload. Must be a CSV file. Second test we're going to do is a no header. Um, must have a header. Uh, um, Header test is right here. Open. Uh, must have it the following header, first line, and then it gives it a message of it to proceed. Please correct. Um, After that, we're going to do a valid test. Here's the database. There's nothing in there. And we're going to do a, uh, okay, two valid tests and upload. You have two successful entries and zero failed entries. If you're wondering, I do have uh, one test on the fly that I'm going to do. So if we do here that I wasn't planning to do, two entries. So those are the entries in the database. I wasn't able to get entries the um, in the repeat entries in the thing. But if we do here like this, I did do no double entries in the intake, so this one will only count two. So if I hit save, two valid tests.csv, and I hit run, and we get two valid tests, it should say you had successful two entries. Yep, successful two entries. Um, Other test is uh, one that hits a bunch of the errors. Um, test, one test, four failed test. So here we're going to run it and we get a little table. The first one is date type is incorrect, gives us a line number. The third, second one is on line 3 and is event of not one of the predetermined, and it gives a list of the predetermined ones. And yeah, I didn't get to the duplicates part, but that's what I was working on before. It was the due date, due time, and then classification type is not of the predetermined. Yeah, it repeats again. Still need to fix that. For line 4 time type is incorrect. For line 6 had one out of those 5 had one successful and 4 failed. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and, and then test for high school or wrong coach test. My third test I'm going to do is for the high school and negative time right here, and then upload it, and then we go, there we go, and predetermined ones, and it gives us a list. Still working on the duplicates, gives us a line number, time is missing or negative, 1 to 2, need to go check it for line 7. That one had 4 successful and 2 failed ones. Okay, from there, I just want to talk about my code a little bit. And don't have too much time, so I'm gonna get this in. Probably gonna miss the time frame. Uh, Here's I don't know how much of this I'm gonna be able to even get it in. If I end it right now, I might as well just finish the video. Um, my test, I did get it set up and going, and had it one test ready to go. For some reason, I couldn't figure out how to mock the database, because when it pulled the database to do the predetermines, it was throwing an error. And when I mocked it this way, the information going in was null. So, but what I would be testing is all the stuff in my view model folder of this stuff, um, where I have all of my logic and um, checking the conditionals, the for each, failing, passing, uh, if it would not catch something or do catch something, and that's what I would test. That's all I have.